What is a Schedule K-1 on Credit Karma Tax? Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First of all, you want to open up any web browser and head over to creditkarma.com. On this web page, you want to click on the Login option, then enter your email ID. Now enter your password and click on the Login option. Now, a Schedule K-1 is a tax form used in the United States to report income, deductions, and credits allocated to partners, shareholders, or beneficiaries of certain types of entities. These entities include partnerships, S corporations, estate, and trusts. In a partnership, the income, deductions, and credits are passed through to the partners. Each partner receives a Schedule K-1 indicating their share of partnership income, deductions, and credits. Partners then report this information on their personal tax return. Similarly to the partnerships, S corporation pass through income, deduction, and credits to their shareholders. Each shareholder receives a Schedule K-1 indicating their portion of the S corporation's income, deductions, and credits, which they then report on their personal tax returns. Beneficiaries of estates and trusts receive a Schedule K-1 showing their share of the estate or trust income, deductions, and credit. The Schedule K-1 provides detailed information about various types of income such as ordinary income, dividends, interest, royalties, capital gains, and deductions like depreciation and depletion. It's essential for recipients to accurately report the information from their Schedule K-1 on their tax return to ensure compliance with tax laws. If you have any questions about the Schedule K-1, you can directly contact with the customer support of Credit Karma Tax. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do leave them on the comment section below, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.